the cocoa.
Hello everyone, this is Abhishek. I welcome you all to my channel Caps Lucky. Let's get started in a short and simple way. So shall we? Among the improvements expected in Android P, the OS is expected to have you back against spy apps. Here's everything we know and think we know about the upcoming Android 9.0 operating system, including when Android P is coming out. When is Android P coming out and what new features will it include? We explain you when and what we expect to see from Android 9.0, which may or may not be called pistachio ice cream. What will Android 9.0 be called? Since the early days of Android updates have been named after sweet treats and in alphabetic orders so far we have seen. In 2018, we should see Android P launches as Android 9.0. The name won't be announced until the summer, but that doesn't stop us having a guess as to what it could be. There are already rumors the name could be Android Pie, Android Peak, Android Peanut, Android Pumpkin, etc. Thanks to a reference to Android P within the Android open source project, but that doesn't sound every Google. Google developers have also begun dropping hints on Twitter, and the binary code picture take you to google.com.io website, where you will be able to use Street View to explore the reception area of Google developers building. There are various puzzles to solve, and locked away in a second room you will find a pineapple cake. Could you will be looking at Android Pineapple? More recently, sources are pointing to Android Pistachio ice cream, which is apparently what Google is calling the upcoming OS internally. It fits the usual sweet treat requirement, and from previous OS name, we know Google likes ice cream. But pistachio? What about all the nutalian suffers? Our favorite is Android possible, but vote in our poll below and add any other ideas to comments at the bottom of this page. When is Android 9.0 coming out? Android 9.0 will most likely be announced during Google I/O 2018, which we expect to take place in mid-May, potentially 16 to 18 May 2018. It is possible we will see an earlier release in March as we did in 2017 with Oreo. At the point, a developer preview will be released which can be installed on recent Google Pixel devices but should really be left to those who know that they are doing. A few public beats will follow, and we expect to see the final consumer release in August 2018. When will my phone get Android 9.0? Although Android 9.0 will be released in August 2018, it won't be immediately available to all Android devices. The update will first be able to Google Pixel devices, and then we will start to see the new phones arriving with Android P out of the box at September IAF 2018 show. Android updates are rolled out by phone manufacturers and network operators rather than Google itself, because any Android updates must first to be tweaked to work with any customization they have made. Those with vanilla interfaces such as Nokia, which has already confirmed Android P updates for all the 2017 phones, will be among the first to roll out the update. Then likes of Samsung, LG, Sony and HTC will begin rolling out Android 9.0 in late 2018 or early 2019. OTA updates, when they do arrive, are accepted to download and install faster and use less data thanks to Google's brutally compression algorithm. There's also no guarantee that your device will be updated to Android 9.0. Device fragmentation is still a problem for the OS, and at last count by Android developers, there were still devices running version 2.3.3 gingerbread. Huh. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow Caps Lucky on Twitter, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. Keep watching all the videos and wait for the next best tech videos for you.